What's up? We are down to the final products of the Operation Snowflake build. We've been throwing a whole lot of parts at this truck over the course of the past 3 months now, kind of in preparation before we head to Indiana on our almost 4-day trip to the East Coast. So, we've done a whole slew of parts to this truck, or at least collected it. We've got everything from front and rear bumpers, grills, steps, some bed accessories, the pack brake air management system with the airbags, towing package stuff, performance things like the ATS Compound kit, and the twin CP3s, injectors, tuning, kind of just an array of parts for this build. And one of the missing puzzle pieces that we still have left on the table is an exhaust system. So we ended up hooking with Magnaflow, and we're doing their 5-inch DPF Back Exhaust. This is their 409 stainless steel system with their high temp black coating over it. The tip is going to be a 304 stainless. It's also obviously black coated, and that is a 5-inch inlet to a 6-inch outlet. The kit comes with these midsection pipes that are 4-inch, and they are also 409 stainless steel. And they give you 2 different pipes, so you'll only use one of them in the install. And basically that is the difference between certain years of mega cab and then crew cab long bed and crew cab short bed. So depending on the trim package, you'll have to trim one of these pipes down. In some trim packages, it will just slip right in and no trimming is required. Along with that, they do add in their heavy duty clamps and hardware along with their welded on hangers. And kind of this whole build and what we've kind of sought after for this Operation Snowflake setup is to show that we can build an ultimate tow rig that's emission compliant and makes that 650 horsepower reliably. And so I think with the recipe of parts that we have going into this truck, we're gonna do just that, and we're gonna do it with flying colors. So make sure you join us at the Ultimate Callout Challenge coming up here really shortly. I mean, we're only a few days away, it seems like, before we have to load these trucks up on trailers and head across country. So when you're at the show, swing by the booth. We're gonna have this truck on one side of the booth, along with that 3-liter Power Stroke we've been working with, Project Brimstone. And we'll be building both those trucks live at the show. And if you can't make it to the show, make sure you watch along on our Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube channel. We'll be putting all these videos on all 3 of those channels, and we'll also be doing live videos updated truly hourly at that show, so you don't miss a thing. And yeah, if we can't see you there at that show, we'll see you at the next one.